Hi, I'm Giovanni Rolandino. I am the director of CDL-Berlin. CDL-Berlin is hosted by ESMT Berlin, which is Germany's #1 business school located in Germany's most vibrant startup ecosystem. We run 3 streams there, which are next-gen computing, which is shared with CDL Paris and that Inge explained marvelously, so I'm not going to re-explain it again. Defense, which is a global program for founders developing dual-use defense-relevant technologies, and health for founders pursuing commercial opportunities based on technologies that improve human health and quality of life. Next year, we're also going to launch CDL Doha, which will have the AI, agri-food, and health streams. And this will be the first CDL site in Asia, and it's going to be supported by QIA and QRDI. So it's a testament to the, oh no, not my 20-year-old picture from my undergrad. But yeah, so it's a big step and a testament to the expansion of CDL that we were seeing at the beginning of this session. CDL Berlin's program year wrapped with 6 health ventures graduating. And representing the health stream today, we have See2Cure and its CEO, Mathilde Coustet. See2Cure combines intraoperative precision diagnostics with targeted therapy to improve outcomes in aggressive cancers. Their technologies allows cancer cells to be identified during surgery in real time, so surgeons can see exactly what needs to be removed at the moment it matters most. Mathilde met the rest of the team 10 years ago, and following proof of concept validated in preclinical studies on ovarian cancer, set up the company to bring their innovation into the human clinic and extend its scope to other cancers metastasizing to the abdomen. Please join me in welcoming Mathilde to the stage.
So, good morning, everyone. Did you know that for most solid tumors, surgery is the single most important treatment a patient ever gets? Not chemotherapy, not immunotherapy, surgery. In metastatic abdominal cancers, 9 out of 10 patients die without surgery. But here is the tragedy. Even with surgery, optimal surgery performed by a skilled surgeon, 75% of patients will relapse and less than half survive beyond 5 years. Not because the surgeon got it wrong, but because the metastases that drive the recurrence are smaller than the human eye can see. The cancer that kills this patient is the cancer no one saw. See2Cure's mission is to highlight the unseen. Oncology has had a revolution. Immunotherapy, antibody-drug conjugate, AI diagnostics. None of that has changed surgery. Several tools are trying to help. A non-specific fluorescent dye, it lights up cancer. It also lights up inflammation, healthy lymph nodes, or scar tissue. There is a tumor-targeted fluorescent tracer marketed in the US, but it has 25% false positive rate. It's like putting your eye beams on while driving in the fog. You see a lot of lights, but you still can't see what's in front of you. We asked the surgeon. They told us the noise is worse than no signal at all. Because in a world of advanced drug and artificial intelligence, surgery is still fundamentally a person with a knife. 10 years ago, my partner and I were working on a tumor-targeting protein platform with high potential for cancer therapy and diagnostic. We met a world-renowned oncologic surgeon, and together, we've built a highly specific tracer. It acts as a molecular radar, binding a marker present only on cancerous tissue, nowhere else. We tag it with a fluorescence molecule and inject it locally prior to surgery. The surgeon sees the cancer and only the cancer, regardless of its size. It runs on fluorescent-guided surgery imaging system operating rooms already have. So no new equipment, no change in the workflow, only better vision. And it is just the beginning. After our first in-human trials prove safety, we intend to build an AI layer on it. real-time fluorescence image analysis and surgical transcription, turning a raw molecular signal into actionable surgical intelligence. Basically, the hardware and the mind working together. When we started our CDL journey, we knew we had a great tool. After 4 sessions, conversation with world-class mentors, and over 10 structured interviews with key opinion leaders in surgical oncology across Europe and the US, we had our moment. The market has nothing useful, and we have something massive. KOL's answer was unambiguous. They want it, they need it. Several of them have asked to be in our clinical trials. We start with ovarian cancer, which alone affects more than 330,000 women worldwide every year. 6.5 million gets us to the end of our first-in-human trial at one of Europe's leading cancer centers. We will go to the US for our pivotal trials. That's where the market is. We are already preparing our first meeting with FDA in collaboration with regulatory experts, consultants. Our ambition is not just to treat ovarian cancer. Our ambition is to go after all epithelial cancers, which represents 80% of solid tumors. 3 things this room can help us with. Capital. For anyone who sees what we see, we are raising 6.5 million and actively looking for a lead investor. Connections to people who've taken a surgical or diagnostic technology to market, to strategic acquirers in surgical oncology, and to US clinical center, expert clinical center for our pivotal trials. And finally, insights, particularly from anyone who's been navigating market access for tumor-targeting surgical tool. We know what we don't know. That's why we are here. Thank you very much.